Welcome back. Congress party is keeping itself away from Digvijay Singh's views on mining package. Goa desk in charge of the Congress party, Digvijay Singh, had told Prudent that Goa doesn't deserve mining package. Prudent media contacted Goa Pradesh Congress Committee Chief Subhash Shirodkar. He claimed ignorance about Digvijay Singh's views, while Congress spokesperson Alish Reginald said that Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar should meet Prime Minister Manmohan Singh again to seek the package.
पैकेज मिल सकता है सेंटर से या अभी
पैकेज किस बात का?
जो बेरोजगार है, जो सभी लोग हैं उनके लिए
ऐसा नहीं है। बेरोजगार क्यों हो गए हैं? बेरोजगार इसलिए हो गए हैं कि इलीगल माइनिंग चल रही थी, और जब इलीगल माइनिंग चल रही थी तो माइनिंग कंपनीज को इस बात का ख्याल रखना चाहिए कि जब उन्होंने खूब सारा पैसा बनाया है तो फिर जो मजदूर हैं उनका भी ख्याल रखें।
अशें म्हटलां आमचे
प्रपोजल गेलो जर जाय जाल्यार लेट गव्हर्नमेंट टेक इट डिसिजन अशें म्हटलें
ना 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 तांच्यांनी म्हटलें आनी मेळपाकूय शकना आनी मेळची ना म्हणून
नो यू बेटर आस्क हिम ओनली आय शुड नॉट बी पार्टी टू दैट इफ आवर डेस्क इन चार्ज हैज सेड दैट इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल we will still, because there are so many problems with the center as far as finances are concerned, but we will again speak to him. We will see what best we can do. Meanwhile, I think the onus of responsibility lies on the custodian of the property, that is the Chief Minister. I think he should take steps to see that whatever he can do, simply by saying that will not work. So in the time, he will also look back and see if we can talk back to him. Yeah.
Talk back to Prime Minister.
No, we can see we can get back to the Prime Minister and see what options are possible.
Panjim city was in darkness on Thursday evening, possibly due to a human error. For more than 5 hours, Panjimites suffered without electricity. Executive Engineer T.A. Varghese informed that joint of a cable had failed from KTC bus stand to EDC point. However, it is suspected that some unknown persons had cut the cable joint at Kadamba Plateau in Ribandar. An agency has been assigned the task to rectify the fault.
One cable failed from Kadamba station to EDC station. 133 kV cable failed.
So what is the reason the cable failed?
That reason still we did not get the reason. We are searching for that because it is 8 kilometer lengthy cable. We have engaged some party to search the fault and find out. Still they did not report. It may be only a joint failure, but where the joint is failed, that we are searching for that. Already engaged a agency to search it and rectify. One circuit which was available, we have loaded some little more overloading we have done on that circuit, that also failed. So multiple fault occurred. Due to this one single cable failure, more failures took place.
MPT plans to set up a seaplane project and marina project to promote Goa as world tourist destination. Chairman of MPT, Mara Pandyan, has requested the government to finalize a place for shifting Karivada fishing jetty so that the port can be allowed to expand.
We are ready for any kind of compromise. We are ready to construct the jetty wherever they want it. At the same time, MPT should be also allowed to expand.
Mormugao Port Trust held an interactive session on cruise shipping on Friday at Vasco. They discussed various plans and projects with the department to promote Goa as world tourist destination.
That we do expect more number of ships this year, and in fact they should be able to tell all the liners that since Goa has got much better facility than the other ports, more and more ships can be brought here.
He also said a seaplane project would help boost Goa tourism.
A seaplane they call it, and it can land in the water, it can take off from the water. That's a project. If someone is willing to operate, like we can give them what you call water space can be given to them, so that passengers can easily be safely airlifted and to any place wherever they want it.
A marina project is also in pipeline, but the locals have opposed it. Mara Pandyan spoke on the proposed marina.
The marina project is nothing but developing the waterway so that lot of yachts can come and berthed in the what you call the marina. And also it will have a backup facility, something like the restaurant it will have other facilities, whatever the tourists wanted. That will be done by the so-called promoters. and they are ready to discuss with the local people also, with the government also. It is going to be one of the best tourism promoting kind of a project.
Reporter Surendra Madkekar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.